What's going on, everybody? So today we're changing strings on a Fender Stratocaster. This obviously applies to other guitars, but especially a Fender Strat if you've got vintage tuners. I've been playing guitar for 32 years. This is my 30-year-old Fender Strat, and I've come up with a quick and efficient way to change your strings. Super easy, really quick, and I'll show you a couple of tips and tricks to make your strings last a whole lot longer. Step one, what you'll need. Fresh pack of electric guitar strings, a string winder, some cutters, a tuner, some guitar polish, and a microfiber towel. Step two, loosen the old strings. Now we don't have to take them all the way off here, just get them loose and get the tension off of them. Step three, cut and remove the old strings. Now take your cutters, cut your strings in the middle, and it'll make removing the strings super easy. Pull them through the back of the guitar. Sometimes if you have a Strat, you need to remove the backing plate just to make it a little easier. Just pull them out. Step four, get it clean. Now this is a good time to go ahead and clean the fretboard, clean the body. This is what's going to make your strings last a whole lot longer. Get all that dirt and grime off the fretboard, and you'll be surprised how long those strings last. Step 5, insert the new strings. So we're using number 9s here. We're going to start with the low E string and work our way down to the high E string. We're just going to insert the string through the back of the guitar exactly where we pulled it out and then work our way down. Step 6, measure and cut the length. Now this is where it's important. Measure 2 posts past the tuner you plan to use. Make the cut there, and it's perfect for these vintage tuners. Step 7, wind onto the tuners. So once we make the cut, we're going to insert it into the center of the tuner, and we're just going to pull it down over the slot toward the bottom of the guitar. We're going to take our winder and just slowly tighten the string, making sure the string is working its way down the tuner post. Step 8, stretch the strings. Now one quick tip you can do is you pull them through the bridge. Just go ahead and give them a stretch right there. Just press them down over the bridge. Really helps the process. Next, grab them in the middle. Just give each string a little tug. Nothing too crazy. It's going to go ahead and stretch them out and make tuning a whole lot easier. Step 9, tune up and final check. Now go ahead and start with the low E string and get the guitar into tune. Now even though we've stretched them, expect this to take a couple of times. Quick and easy. So if that helps you out, please hit that like and subscribe button, and we'll see you on the next one.